Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a Atoto wireless remote control. So as you see right here, this is the remote control with a little tab that you see right here. So what we need to do, this is the base and this is the top. Okay, so what we should do is actually slide the top this way and lift it. Okay, and that's going to disassemble the entire assembly. So again, slide the top this way and lift it, and it is a very fine movement. So there's not much to grip here, okay, and that's a part of the problem. So you almost have to, my hands are sweaty. Okay, let's try again. There we go. So what I'm doing is I'm using my nails to grab the bottom plate, and again, look at this. So look at this. I'm using my nails to grab the bottom place. Now I'm gonna push the top down. Okay, slide the top this way from this notch right here. So there we go. Okay, so just pushed it and it all comes apart. Now you can replace the battery and we're gonna assemble it back together. So the way this one comes together is, first you match this tab and this tab with this slot and this slot, and then once you match them, you can put that on top and slide it up and it locks into place. Okay, so let me show you the tab the way they are made. Okay, so if you can see this tiny tab, this tab is pointed that way, the other one is pointed this way, and this tab, this one is pointed that way. Okay, so that's why when you want to disassemble the battery, when you want to replace the battery, you need to slide the top this way, and lift it up. So when you want to assemble it back together, you want to put the top down and slide that in this way. Okay, and so we will match this tab and this tab right here with this and this slot. Okay, so let's do this. There we go. Okay, so easiest way to kind of get the feel is this answer button matches and aligns with this big tab. Okay, this answer button aligns and goes in the direction of the big tab. So when you put it together, it comes flush. Okay, and it becomes flush. Now what we need to do is push the top this way and it will just, there we go. See, it will all just come together. And I hope this helps you. Thank you very much.